This tutorial is of two parts. In first part I will create this object, and in second part I will create this object. This tutorial is a part of tutorial series in which we are going to learn AutoCAD 2020 3D from basic to advanced level. So this AutoCAD 3D basic tutorial for beginners 1 is first tutorial in this series, and beginners 2 is second tutorial. If you want to learn 3D concept in more detail and in depth, then I will recommend you to watch these two tutorials, and we will be solving this current exercise based on this tutorial too. And based on this first tutorial we have created these objects. Then if you want to watch more such type of tutorials, then please support my channel by click on the subscribe button and pressing bell icon. Let's start with this object. Now this object is in millimeter, therefore click here and click on AutoCAD ISO. To switch to 3D modeling, click here on this gear icon and click on 3D modeling. To view z-axis, click here on unsaved view and click on SE Isometric. To shift this icon on the left side, click on this icon. Take your cursor on this square grip, right click, take your cursor to UCS icon settings and click on show UCS icon at origin. So it will shift it in the left corner. In this object, at first we will create this bottom plate. Now here this length is 25, this is 70, and diameter of this circle is 60. That means radius will be 30. That means this total length is this 30 plus this 70 and 25, that is 125, and this width is 60. Click here on box. Specify first corner point. I will click here. Take your cursor away. Specify length. Length is 125. Then press tab. And width is 60. Press enter. Take your cursor above and specify thickness of 15. Press enter. Zoom there. Then click here and change visual style to shaded with edges. Then to create half circle, type F for fillet edge. Click here on fillet edge. Select this line, press enter. Click on radius. Specify radius of 30. Press enter and enter. Zoom minus. Then this circle diameter is 50 and thickness is 5, and this through hole of 24 diameter. Click on center radius circle. Take your cursor on the circle so that it will show center point. Click. Specify radius of 25. Enter. To convert this circle into 3D, click here on press pull. Take your cursor inside this circle. Take your cursor above and specify thickness of 5. Press enter. Press escape. Again click on circle. Click on this circle. Now here it is showing quadrant, so we will have to take cursor here on the center and click. Take your cursor away, specify radius of 12. Press enter. Then to create hole, click here on press pull. Take your cursor inside this circle, click. Take it outside below and click. Press escape, and here this through hole is created. Next is to create this portion. Now height from this surface is 25 and diameter of this circle is 50. That means radius is 25. That means this total height is 50 and width is also 50. and thickness is 15 and above thickness is 20. Again click on box, specify first point, take your cursor away, specify length of 50, press tab, thickness is 15, press enter, take your cursor above and specify height of 50, press enter, and again type F for fillet edge, click on fillet edge, select this edge and this edge, press enter, click on radius, specify radius of 25, enter, enter. Zoom there, click on circle, take your cursor on this circle, take your cursor on the center point, click. Now here horizontal circle is created. We want vertical circle. For that we will have to change UCS. Press escape. Now to create circle as per this face, we will have to use front UCS. If you want to learn about UCS in detail, please watch my first tutorial. Link is also given in the description. So click here and click on front. And click on circle. Take your cursor on this circle. Click on this center point. Click on this midpoint. So it will automatically take that radius. And again click on press pull. Take your cursor inside this circle. Take it outside. Specify thickness of 5. Enter. Press escape. Then there is this hole of 20 diameter. Again click on circle. Now here it is not showing center object snap. To show center object snap, take your cursor on the circle and click on center and specify radius of 10. Enter. Then again click on press pull. Take your cursor inside this circle and click. Take it outside and click. Press escape. Then I don't want these grids. You can turn them off by clicking here. Move this part. For that orbit it. Click on move. Select this object. Enter. Then click on this endpoint and this endpoint. Then remove this circle. Type E. Enter. Select these circles. Press enter. Then again orbit back. Then I want opposite of this object on this side. For that we will mirror it. Click on 3D mirror. Select this object. Enter. Then you will have to specify 3 points of plane around which you want to mirror. So my plane will be in the center. I will click on this midpoint. Then this center point and this midpoint. Delete source object? No. So here it has been mirrored perfectly. Then next is to apply these fillets of 2 radius. For that again press F, click on fillet edge, select this line. Now here you will see that fillet is going inside, but we want fillet outside. To get outside fillet you will have to union these objects. Right now these objects are separate. To convert them into single object you will have to click here on union and select all these objects and press enter. Then again type F, click on fillet edge, select this edge, then orbit, select this edge and this edge. Then press enter. Now here it has given error, failure to perform blend. This has happened because radius size was very high. So at first we will have to reduce the radius, then we will have to perform fillet. Again type F, click on fillet edge, then click on radius, specify radius of 2, enter, and select this line, orbit it, select this line and this line, press enter and enter. So here this fillet is applied perfectly. To change color of this object, just double click on it, click here, again click here, click on select color and choose your desired color. Click on OK, press escape. To remove these white circles, just move this object at other location. Click on move, select this object, enter, specify base point, take it here and click and enter and remove these objects. So here this object is ready. And do watch my second tutorial in which we will learn how to create this object. So thanks for watching. We will stop here.